choice today with the 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. The Wrangler JK is built with adventure in mind. Its rugged style is paired perfectly with power and performance. Not to be outdone, the interior comes equipped with plenty of technology, storage, and sound system capabilities. And it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, cruise control, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.